Imagine getting into a fight and realizing something terrifying. Your body doesn't react. You don't blink. You don't flinch. You don't move your head in time. It's not that you're slow or weak. Your body just doesn't jump in to protect you anymore. Because normally, your body reacts before you even understand what's happening. But now imagine waking up one day without reflexes. No blinking, no automatic balance, no silent safety system working in the background. Just conscious thought, trying to keep up with a world that moves much faster than thinking ever can. Today, let's explore what would really happen if you had no reflexes, and why psychology and biology agree that reflexes are one of the most important survival tools you have. Reflexes exist for one simple reason: thinking is slow. Evolution figured that out long before humans learned how to reason. Your nervous system built shortcuts, automatic responses that don't ask your brain for permission. These responses live deep in your spinal cord and brainstem, not in the part of your brain that thinks and analyzes. There's the stretch reflex that keeps you standing, the pain withdrawal reflex that pulls you away from danger, the pupil reflex that shields your eyes from light, and the vestibular reflexes that stabilize your head and vision every time you move. These systems are ancient. They existed before complex thought. Think of them as pre-installed survival software running non-stop, keeping you alive without ever notifying you. Now, let's imagine life without any of those automatic reactions. Start with a fight. In a real confrontation, reflexes matter more than strength or skill. The first problem would be blinking. When something comes toward your face, your eyes normally shut automatically in about 1/10 of a second. Without that blink reflex, your eyes stay open. A direct hit would almost certainly damage the cornea. Vision could be permanently affected from just one impact. Next, there's head movement. Your body normally turns your head slightly before a hit lands, reducing the force. Without that defensive reflex, every blow lands clean, full force, with no reduction. Knockdowns become almost guaranteed. Defensive reflexes can activate in as little as 40 milliseconds. Without them, those milliseconds stretch into dangerous silence where nothing happens at all. Throwing a punch would also feel wrong. Without the stretch reflex, your muscles don't tighten automatically. When you swing your arm, your body fails to stabilize itself. Your own movement throws you off balance. Even pushing someone could cause you to fall because your core and neck don't prepare for impact. Your body doesn't brace. It doesn't protect. Every movement feels unstable, like a newborn trying to stand for the first time. Now let's move away from fights and into daily life, where reflexes quietly work every second. Walking would become a serious challenge. Every step relies on reflexes adjusting muscle tension at the exact moment your foot touches the ground. When your knee bends slightly, sensors in your muscle send signals that trigger an automatic contraction to stop your leg from collapsing. Without that reflex, the muscle doesn't respond fast enough. Your knee buckles under your own weight. Walking becomes unpredictable, shaky, exhausting, and dangerous. Going downstairs would be even worse. Each step normally triggers an extension reflex that stiffens the leg to support your body. Without it, your leg doesn't lock in time. Your body drops forward as if the floor disappeared. Every staircase feels like walking on unstable sand. Cooking becomes dangerous too. When something hot touches your skin, pain signals don't go to your brain first. They go straight to the spinal cord, which immediately pulls your hand away before you even feel pain. Without that withdrawal reflex, the signal must travel to your brain, be processed, and then turned into a voluntary command. That delay is enough for severe burns to occur. Your hand stays on the hot surface because your body is waiting for permission to move. Driving would be life-threatening. Most emergency braking happens faster than conscious thought. Your foot reacts before you fully realize what you saw. Without reflexes, your brain must go through every step, seeing the danger, understanding it, deciding what to do, and then moving your foot. That doubles reaction time. At normal speeds, those extra milliseconds translate into several extra meters, traveled often the difference between stopping safely and crashing. Even if you believe you reacted on time, balance would be the most disabling loss of all. Your inner ear constantly detects head movement and triggers automatic responses that stabilize your neck, trunk, and eyes. Without vestibular reflexes, your head moves but your body doesn't adjust. Your eyes fail to stabilize the image. Vision blurs instantly. Dizziness hits immediately. Standing still becomes difficult. Turning your head could make you fall sideways within seconds. Without reflexes, the world becomes too fast. Not because you're careless, but because thinking simply cannot keep up. Pain arrives before understanding. Impact happens before awareness. Danger reaches you before your mind can respond. And here's the part that's easy to forget. Reflexes don't think. They don't hesitate. They don't debate. They exist for one reason only: to reduce the chances that you get hurt or die. Life built them long before logic, language, or planning ever existed. Even now, as modern humans with complex thoughts and big dreams, we still depend on these ancient systems firing silently in the background. That's what's truly impressive. No matter how intelligent you become, no matter how advanced your thinking is, a part of you still operates like it did millions of years ago, fast, automatic, and brutally efficient, just to keep you alive one more day. And the next time your body reacts before you even realize what happened, remember this: that wasn't weakness, panic, or instinct gone wrong. That was survival doing its job perfectly.